Hi guys, so this is going to solve an equation and we're going to be using combining like terms. We're getting into the big boy stuff now. So we're going to look at this together and I'm going to look over here on the right. I'm going to make myself a column to just keep things separate. And I'm going to look and I know that I have an X family and I have a number family. So the first thing I'm going to look at is that negative 4x and I'm going to put that right here with my X family. Then I have a positive 2, which goes under my numbers. Then I have a negative 3x, which goes with my x's. Do not, I repeat, do not use anything on the other side of that equal sign. That is, we don't combine that. That's something we're going to use when we solve. So I'm going to go over to Desmos, and I'm going to take a negative 4, and I'm going to say minus 3. So that gives me a negative 7x. I've got a positive 2 here, so I just bring it down. Now, something we hadn't done before, but I'm going to start doing it, is I'm going to put a rectangle around what I originally started. Now, I'm going to bring up the negative 7x plus 2, which is just the simplified version of this, of the negative 4x plus 2 minus 3x, and I'm going to equal it to 16. So now I'm going to be careful, and I'm going to read the problem. It says, negative 7 times x plus 2 equals 16. So the first thing you have to do is you attack what's alone. You wait and go after that x last. So you're going to get rid of that plus 2 by doing the opposite, which is subtracting 2. So I'm going to bring down the negative 7x. 2 minus 2 is 0. We don't have to worry about that anymore. We've got 16 minus 2, which gives us 14. I encourage you to use Desmos for every step because you just don't want to make a mistake. So now we've got negative 7 times x equals 14. So I am going to put in a divide by negative 7 on each side so that I can get x alone. And I'm going to go ahead and put this in Desmos. I don't need to, but I'm going to because I don't want to make a mistake. 14 divided by negative 7 is a negative 2. Now, I want to go ahead and put this into my calculator to check it. But I'm going to go ahead and get my highlighter out and use it for a second because I want to make sure that I put in my answer, the x equals negative 2. Then I'm going to come up here to the top and I'm going to put all of that in, the original thing. And my goal is to get that 16 coming out in my calculator. So let me start by putting in the x equals negative 2. That's what our solution was. And then we're going to start at the top. Negative 4x plus 2 minus 3 times x. And that gives us, in Desmos, it gives us 16, which is exactly what we wanted to get up here at the top. So that means that we solved it, and we checked it, and we got it right. Everybody, please check your answers. It is the most important thing you can do, because there's no way you can check them and not know for certain whether you're right or wrong. If you have any questions at all, make sure to talk to us, okay? We're going to get through this together. We'll see y'all tomorrow. Bye-bye.